the comments here on YouTube asking me about the Navigator. Well, some been asking me about the rims. How has the epoxy paint been holding up? Let me show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the trucks after the Navigator. After I painted the rims black, I blacked out the front grille, the lower grille. I did the tint, smoked out the tail lights. I still need to black out some more chrome, but I was gonna give you a quick update before I do that, and hopefully I have enough time to black out that chrome. So let's check it out. It like you saw, I blacked out the rims using the epoxy paint. I wanted something stronger than normal paint, so that's why I went with the epoxy paint. That's the panel, the chrome panel that I'm telling you that I still need to black out. Most likely I'll have that done today, hopefully. That's one of the things. Like I said, black that out. Tinted the windows, as you saw. That's 20%. I also did the front grille, the tail lamps. Remember, this thing had a what's it called? This whole trim was, it's dirty, but this whole trim was chrome, and I didn't like the chrome, so I got rid of the black trim on both sides and tinted the tail lamps using BHT. I don't know, headlamp paint, tail lamp or tail light paint. But let me know what you guys think. This is not the end results. Like I said, I still gotta do that, but kind of getting close to the end results. I kind of like the way it looks better. You guys check this out. I missed a spot right there, chrome trim right there, but everything else it's looking okay. That side's black. Now this whole side's black too. That's how I wanted it. I'm kind of hitting that trim now, that chrome trim, and the chrome mirror caps. I kind of don't like them either, but nah, they're gonna stay the way they are. A little bit of chrome won't hurt it. It's gotta match the headlights and something, the door handles. So I'm gonna leave those chrome. Everything else is black. I can't really get on this side because this thing's on the way, but the rest of the truck is dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover that little section back there, and because I can see a little chrome streak right there. That's where the tape was covering the chrome, so I'm gonna have to go put more tape on top and then repaint that section. What's up guys, just got off work. I've been getting a lot of questions on the Navigator through Instagram and also on the comments here on YouTube asking me about the Navigator, about the rims. How has the epoxy paint been holding up? Let me show you guys. Okay, here's the complete truck. So the paint's been holding up okay. Let me start with the front one. We've got this, but this, I guess my wife curved a bit. But beyond that, these spots, as you can see, but I'm pretty sure that's because of the prep. um, I know the rims, the epoxy paint doesn't need a lot of prepping, but you still need to clean it. I mean, it's like anything else. Just get tar and wax remover and clean it. I didn't do that. I just used alcohol, but as you can see, there's some spots that are chipping off, but the rest of them is practically okay, except little spots like that. But it's been a while already, so if you guys do better prep job than this, I mean, this have to be, you know, a big extensive prepping, but I mean, at least do better than what I did, and you should be okay. Check out the back one. As you can see, the actual rim on these areas, these are the hard parts to clean, but everything here is okay. The problem I'm having is the curving right there. As you can see, something hit it right there, maybe a rock or something. Center caps seems to be okay on this one, and on that one is because there was a lot of I used a lot of that wheel shiny liquid thing, so it's kind of like greasy. So that was my problem with the front ones. But beyond that, another scratch right here. But like I said, I mean, if you're gonna curve it or scratch it intentionally, then that's gonna, whatever you put on them, it's gonna scrape off. But everything seems to be okay besides being dirty, guys. So let me go check out the other sides. The blacking out on that thing's perfect, nothing wrong with that. On this side, as you can see, the paint is holding up pretty good besides the dirtiness. I mean, my wife washed it, so that's why it still looks pretty dirty. No curving on this side, and a lot of it has got to do on this side because I don't know if you could tell, the tire sticks out more, so it's really harder to curve this rim. All this stuff is just dirt, so this rim's perfect, nothing wrong with it. This is one of the oldest tires. The rest of the tires aren't similar. Well, let me check the front one. This one also sticks out a little bit, as you can see, and also no curving besides a little chip right here. But on the inside, perfect, nothing here. The plastic still perfect shape. I'm talking about the paint, the actual epoxy paint, guys. So the epoxy paint has been holding perfectly. Couple spots right there, like I said, but I'm pretty sure that's because of that tire shine that I added on before painting them. So I honestly like it way better the way it is right now, black. I was gonna black that thing out, but I'm a little bit chrome. It's okay, it's not that bad. But the actual epoxy paint, guys, is holding up perfectly, not a single problem. I do definitely recommend that, especially because of the prepping, guys. I mean, if you're gonna do normal, car paint, you got to do a lot of sanding, a lot of prepping for it to even stick on the chrome. Now those rims, remember, those are chrome, and all I did was that steel wool. I cleaned it as much as possible and used alcohol. I could have used tar and wax remover, which would have helped a lot more, and it's only like 20 bucks maybe. But I definitely recommend them. I like this thing better than paint. I've used paint before on my other cars, and this paint seems to work okay if you leave it thick enough. But also the prepping's got a lot to do, and even works with the chrome. With the chrome, it's even harder. But I used it on the side panels. You can see the side panels, hardly any chipping. Maybe small spots right there, but that's not even a chip. That's like a fisheye, something like that. The grill, let's check the grill out. And the grill will be the one that's gonna take more of the punishment because of these little rocks hitting it on the highway and stuff like that, as you can see right here. But also I didn't go too thick on this. You could even see part of the chrome on the back, so I went really light on it. If I would have went thicker, then I wouldn't have that much problems with it. But it looks great. It's been already like I don't know how many months, but it's looking really good. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section if I answered the questions on the epoxy paint. Also, if you got any more questions on the Navigator, the paint, whatever, let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think? Should I go back chrome on the rims, or should I leave them black? I already went black on that, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking of going back to chrome on the rims, even though I do kind of like them the way they are. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And I still been working on the rest of the cars. You can see I have the Jeep right behind me, and also that one. We've been driving that one already all over, but not the Jeep. Jeep's still waiting for more parts and stuff like that. But as you can see, the hood, see these markings? I got something planned for the hood, which is right here. Right here. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think on the Navigator. You guys like it better the way it looks right now with all blacked out, or was it better with the chrome? I'll leave a picture on the chrome, how it used to look and stuff like that. Also let me know if I should go back to chrome on the rims. I know that when they were chrome, the rims were more noticeable. They seemed bigger. Right now they're black. You can even see the actual rim, the lip on the rim. You can't tell it. And before, when they were chrome, you can see that big old rim, you know, because they are 26s. They're not the biggest rims out there. I know there's way bigger rims than 26s, 28s, 30s, 32s, 34s, stuff like that. But I mean 26s, I think it's more than enough. If I had a chance to go 28s, I'll probably go 28s. But it's really rough. I mean, you feel everything, every single crack on the road. It's actually kind of annoying, you know, having big rims on a car, especially, you know, an SUV and stuff like that. But if it's just a car that you're gonna ride every now and then, you know, it's okay. But something that you're gonna be driving every single day kind of sucks, guys. So let me know what you guys think.